4th International Conference on Neonatology and Pediatric Care. Date October 24–25, 2023. Venue Chicago, USA. Theme: The Evolution of Neonatology. Benefits to attend the conference: get OCM certificate access to all the sessions, get worldwide acknowledgement to your profile and research. Keynote speakers: Moroz Anna, Ukraine. Rod Ms. Hawarin, Israel. Megan Ringel, USA. Market analysis: as per the report, the Europe fetal and neonatal care equipment market size is valued at USO $2.19 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.2%, to reach $2.96 billion by 2027 during the forecast period 2022 to 2027. Major sessions: Clinical Pediatrics, Pediatric Pharmacology, Diabetes affecting human health. Abstract submission deadline March 30, 2023. Early bird date of registration July 14, 2023. Book your slot now.